In this problem, we want to tell whether the relation is a function, and then we'll determine the domain and range. Well, let's review the vertical line test. This says if any vertical line can intersect the graph at two or more places, then it is not a function. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. The question is whether this is a function or not. Just to roughly sketch it, more or less looks like that. And the vertical line test says if we can draw a vertical line somewhere that intersects at two or more places, then it's not a function. Well, here I draw one, it intersects in one place. Here I draw one place. Here I draw one place. No matter where I draw a vertical line, most it'll ever intersect is one place, which means that this is a function. Okay, now our domain and our range. Domain is your x values where your graph exists. As this is going up, it's slowly going left, slowly going left. So keep that in mind. And as this is going up, it's slowly going right, slowly going right. And it'll keep following that pattern. You can assume if it goes off the screen that it follows that same pattern forever. Well, if I come here to, I don't know, -5, assuming that's -5. Actually, since this is -20 over here, that'd be -10 roughly. The question is, does my graph exist at -10? Yes, it does. Because if I go straight up from there, I find my graph. If I come over here to -20, the question is whether it exists at that value. And it does. If I go up far enough, I'm going to find my graph. Because remember, as this keeps going up, it keeps going to the left. So if I come over here to -1 million, if I go up or down, I'll find my graph. Specifically, if I go up far enough, I'll find my graph. Which implies it's going to -infinity. Infinities always have parentheses on them because you can never reach them. If I come over here to x equals 0, if I go up, I find my graph, so it exists there. If I come over here to roughly x equals 10, if I go up far enough, I'll find my graph, because this keeps going up forever, and as it's going up forever, it's slowly going to the right. If I come over here to x equals 20, if I go up far enough, I'll find my graph. And if I come over to x equals 1 million, if I go up far enough, I'll find my graph, which implies it's going to positive infinity. Now our range. If I come down here to -10 on my y-axis, the question is, can you go left or right and find your graph? Well, if I go left or right, I don't find my graph anywhere. It doesn't exist at this place. But if I come up to this, which is my lowest point of my graph, if I come straight over to my y-axis, that's 0. So it's going to start at 0. And then obviously it goes up forever, so it's going to encompass all the y values up there. So it's going to infinity. Now infinities always have parentheses on them. And the only time you don't put a bracket is when you got an open dot, open circle. And I don't see anything like that here. So this will be a bracket to mean include 0. And that would be our domain and our range.